Hi again, folks. We finally rolled into American River, feeling like absolute champions. We had the keys, we had the address, and we were ready to unpack and relax. Little did we know that in American River there were a number of properties lacking house numbers, or those house numbers so obscured that they were not visible. This led us on a bit of a merry ride around American River, trying to find the house we had booked. After doing our second lap down Buick Drive and feeling like we were driving through a town of mystery, we decided to ask the experts. We pulled into the local post office. "G'day mate, can you tell us where house number X is?" The response? A lot of friendly smiles, a few scratches of the head, and a very polite, "Yeah, good luck with that one." Even the people who delivered the mail were stumped. So, back in the four-wheel drive we go. We cruised down Tangara Drive, looking at every mailbox, fence post, and tree stump for a clue. Nothing. It turns out street numbers in coastal holiday towns are treated like top secret classified information on a need-to-know basis. We drove down Buick Drive again just in case a house number had magically sprouted out of the gravel in the last 10 minutes. So, desperate times call for elite detective measures. We officially abandoned Google Maps and initiated Operation Wheelie Bin. That's right, we started slowly rolling down the street, peering at the sides of people's red rubbish bins to read the spray-painted numbers. If you ever want to feel like a complete criminal while on vacation, try creeping down a quiet street reading house numbers of rubbish bins. And bingo, bin number confirmed. We tracked down the correct driveway, which was hidden behind a wall of coastal scrub like a secret lair. We popped the car into low range, crept up the track, and there it was, our home away from home. No house number on the door, but a wheelie bin never lies. Finally, the bags are unpacked, the car is packed, and we are officially settled into American River. Of course, I took out my drone in order to give you some bird's eye view of the town, so I'll also release that video as video 1042, so enjoy.